Hello, my name is Alexis Crook and I am an implementation consultant here at Prosymmetry. In today's video, we are going to be discussing creating portfolio resource plans. So within Tempus, you can create, edit, and view resource allocations associated to each object. You can also view and take action on any over or under allocated resources. Getting into our live demo environment, I am going to go ahead and click on the strategic portfolio tile. And as I mentioned, within any of these objects, you have the ability to turn on or off the capability to plan resource allocations. For this example today, I am going to show using the top couple of levels, in this case, portfolio and program, to plan out my demand planning resources. And then at the actual project level, I will be planning at the individual named resource level. This allows me to create kind of a high-level plan, again, starting with the portfolio, maybe what are the roles that are needed on this portfolio as a whole, break that down by program, again, at that demand planning level resource, and then named resource down at the projects. That's just the example that I'm going to show today. You have the ability to plan this however you would like. So let's go ahead and start with the portfolio. I'm going to click into this portfolio here. And this is the current plan that I have. Right now, like I said, I've got all demand planning resources. I'm looking at this at the quarter level in time. You can also look at this at the FTE level. In this case, I have not planned down to the task. I've just kept this at the high level project/task level. Within this area, it works the same as if you are familiar with Tempus Resource, the project level allocation planning. So you can check out this, in this case, portfolio, add more resources, change those assignments, replace, things of that nature. We've got a whole video on how to use this single project allocation screen, as well as how to create new kind of resource plans from the beginning. So check those out if you are interested. But for now, just want to show you, this is kind of what we recommend from the highest portfolio level, is planning these demand planning resources. I'm going to navigate back and show the same thing at this program level. Program level allocations, I've identified my dates, I've identified which demand planning resources are going to be needed on this program for what amount of time. Again, I'm at the quarter level in time right now, but you can change this to different units of measure to make this planning a little bit easier and maybe to work better with your plan. The last thing that I'm going to show is down to the project level. So the project level is where we typically see these named resources come into play. So rather than using those demand planning resources and kind of planning at that high level, I'm now actually saying who will be working on my project and for what amount of time. In this case, again, quarter and time, but feel free to adjust these if you would like to. I do also want to show that within the options, there's quite a few different options here, but the one that I want to show is the resource heat map. When I click out of that, this is kind of the fun part of Tempus, that you can see whether your resources are over or under allocated based on heat map colors that you can configure within your admin settings. So configure those. You can see here that most of my resources are green throughout the duration of this project, meaning they're good to go. They have the time to work on this project. I believe that yellow means that they are about to hit that threshold. At least that's the way I have it set up in my environment. So maybe for these two resources, James and Austin, during these quarters, I will go in to their individual resource screens, see what other projects they're working on, and potentially make any adjustments. Hopefully this video was helpful in showing you guys some different scenarios on how you can plan your resource allocations throughout your SPM hierarchy. Thank you so much.